Actually, una ko siyang nakita sa isang dog lovers group sa Facebook. Nakita ko may hawak siyang dalawang small dogs. Hindi ko pa nga alam nun kung ano yung breed nila kasi medyo blurred. Pero pagkakita ko sa kanya, sabi ko, wow! As in, napawaw talaga ako. Sabi ko, ang ganda. So, naglakas loob ako. Nag-send ako ng private message sa kanya, hoping na magre-respond siya. We got talking some more, nag-decide kami mag-meet, and first time na nakita ko siya, pagbaba niya ng taxi, tinamaan talaga, as in sabi ko, wow!
Una kami nag-meet online. So, actually, syempre, napugian ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, I think this guy is, not only confident, pero malinis yung intentions niya. Kasi, nakilala ko agad yung mga part of his family and his life. One of the reasons kaya kami nag-click was music and pets.
Babe, today I choose you, but I choose you not only for who you are today, but for who you are becoming, and for who I am when I'm with you. I promise to love you in the calm moments, and to hold you closer in the hard ones. I promise to listen when you need to be heard, to speak honestly even when it's difficult, and to always treat your heart with care. With you, I've found my best friend, my greatest love, my home, and my forever.
I prayed for someone who's decent, serious, and a devout Catholic. Mabait si Lord dahil binigyan niya ako ng someone with strong personality. Someone na opposite sa akin. I adore your confidence, for I am timid. I adore your determination whenever I feel down. I adore your positivity when I feel hopeless. You complete me. Balance tayo. Let's grow old together. I love you and thank you for being a good father to our Fatima. I can't wait to take your last name. I love you.
Congratulations. I think ang mapapayo ko sa'yo bilang ako married myself for a decade na is to really have communication and always choose each other every day.
Ayun kuya, syempre, congrats. Panibagong buhay to eh.
This is it. Congratulations. May pamilya ka na. Mahalin mo pamilya mo.
Yes, ma.
Mahal ka ng Diyos kasi binigay si Dennis para sa'yo makasama mo habang buhay.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Love you, ma. Love you, ma.
Ay, Denise, tama yan. Tama, nagpakasal na kayo. Masaya na ako noon. Manalangin ka ng totoo sa Diyos. Singin mo sa Diyos lahat. Sa Diyos may asa ang lahat, ang buhay mo. I love you, Denise.
I love you.
Pamalagiin mong nagmamahalan at nagkakaisa ng kalooban at isipan, sina Denise at Jean na pinagbuklod mo sa banal na pagsasama at iyong pinapagsalo sa pagkait-inuming pagkakaisa ang ibinibigay.